Mr. Coffee is basically a review for the people who are looking to buy a coffee maker. This is a small coffee maker, Mr. Coffee. It was $19 at Target
21.
and I'm sorry, $21.99. Yeah, $21.99. Cute and adorable. He's put in the water. So we're just testing basically to see how it works right there. But the water is already coming out. It's quick. Good morning. So today we're gonna make coffee with Mr. Coffee, brand new machine. Brand new coffee maker. I have a slightly problem with purchase this too big, so I'm gonna do it like this. Oh well. It's time to make the coffee. Brew it later, right there, and brew it now. Okay, that's it for now. This is a great coffee, Mr. Coffee. Bye. The coffee's ready. That's that feature. Bye guys. Bye.